Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about insurance law. What is insurance law? Insurance law is a collection of laws and regulations that relate to insurance. Insurance is a contract between two parties. It transfers the risk of loss to the other party to the contract in exchange for a fee, which is called a premium. Insurance laws and regulations manage and control how insurance contracts are formed and enforced. Insurance laws manage the offering, buying, selling, and claims processes for insurance. In United States alone, the insurance is $1 trillion industry. What does insurance cover? There are a number of insurance that covers many different things. You might have one insurance policy for your home, another for your car. You might receive a health insurance policy through your work, or you might purchase a health insurance policy independently. Insurance policies cover personal property, life, disability, and even identity theft. Most insurance regulations are state regulations. US government doesn't regulate insurance much. The US government runs a few public insurance programs like Social Security, disability programs, and Medicare. However, in the field of insurance, law relates more to private insurance companies and government programs. Most states have a law that creates an insurance administrator's office. The State Insurance Administrator's Office creates rules and regulations that insurance companies have to follow to conduct business. The Administrator's Office may also investigate rules and regulations and bring enforcement actions. Insurance law and administrative law often intertwine. What do insurance law regulate? Insurance laws regulate a variety of aspects relating to insurance, whether the insurance company has enough capital to have a sound and secure business, what premiums a company can charge for a policy, requirements for inclusions in an insurance policy, measures to ensure that insurance companies engage in fair competition without price fixing, penalties for bad faith practices when people must buy insurance like auto insurance minimums in some states. Major US insurance laws and decisions. However, though most of insurance regulations in the United States happens at a state level, there are some significant pieces of US insurance legislation. There are also notable court decisions. From initially ruling that insurance contracts are non-commercial products subject to insurance regulation, the US Supreme Court upheld federal insurance regulations in 1944, United States versus Southeastern Underwriters Association case. Affordable Care Act. The Affordable Care Act is actually two laws: Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act and Healthcare and Education Reconciliation Act of 2010. The law expands Medicaid and other government health insurance programs. They create subsidies for private health insurance policies based on income and also create requirements for certain mandated coverage in private insurance policies. National Flood Insurance Act of 1968. The purpose of National Flood Insurance Act of 1968 is to help property owners protect their investments in flood zone areas. The National Flood Insurance Program allows people who live in flood zones to purchase insurance for their properties. The laws call for controlled rates as well as floodplain management. One of the key principles in insurance is the concept of good faith. Insurance as a contract and as a financial product only works when both parties are honest with each other and work to fulfill the terms of contract based on the true facts of situation. Failing to apply for an insurance contract is in good faith is a form of cheating. Refusing to pay a fair claim is another form of cheating. Opposite of good faith is bad faith. For example, a person applies for life insurance. They answer on the form that they don't have any pre-existing medical conditions and that they have never been hospitalized. In fact, that isn't true. The person was hospitalized last year with a serious illness. 5 years later, the insured dies of same illness. Life insurance beneficiary tried to make a claim on the insurance policy. Insurance company refuses the claim and refunds the premium. An insurance company may also act in bad faith. Who practices insurance law? There are a number of ways to practice insurance law in United States. Insurance defense. If you are in an automobile accident and you are sued as a result, your insurance company might send an attorney to defend you against the claim. Insurance lawyers work on behalf of insurance companies in order to defend their claims for the insurance companies. You might work as an in-house counsel for an insurance company, or you might work in private practice. Most lawyers that work for an insurance company work as in-house counsel, or they work in mid-sized or large law firm. Insurance defense work is a trial practice. Lawyers in the field can expect to spend a great deal of time appearing in the court, conducting discovery, and filing the defending legal motions, bringing insurance claims on behalf of litigants. Just as insurance companies need lawyers to defend their claims against their personal insurers, the people who have insurance policies also rely on lawyers to bring claims if they believe that insurance company isn't paying fairly. Insurance lawyers who work on behalf of the insured parties to bring claims for lack of payment often work in both personal injury law as well as insurance law.